Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BRC app token. Ticker symbol is BRCT. Now it was just announced today that this token is getting two brand new central exchange listings, at least two, on two very big central exchanges. We're going to go over the information on the BRCT token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'll just go through a bunch because I saw there's actually more than two here. So they're being listed looks like January 3rd on a whole bunch of different central exchanges and decentralized exchanges. So they're going to be on Uniswap. Now the decentralized ones are most likely coming prior to the centralized exchange listings. That's usually how it works. And they do have a few holders here I was looking at. We'll get to that in just 1 second, but they're going to be, it's a cross-chain token, so they're going to be listed on PancakeSwap. The BNB version of this token will be on PancakeSwap. Ethereum one will be on Uniswap, but then they're going to be listed on some tier 2 central exchanges like Bitmart and Bitget, and then also some big central exchanges like Gate and Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, it will be listed on Mexc Global January 3rd at 12 o'clock UTC time. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BRCT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So January 3rd, 12 o'clock UTC time. Could be on Uniswap and PancakeSwap already. I'm just looking at their Etherscan here. And it says so far they have 79 holders, so very brand new project, 18 decimal places, and there is a max total supply of 1 billion BRCT tokens. Now, you could check on the Etherscan to see if there's actually any transactions here. Actually, it doesn't look like there's any Uniswap transactions here. It looks like they, they're just moving around tokens, maybe to central exchanges. Yeah, it says Bitget here. Yeah, it actually doesn't look like it's really available anywhere yet, so you'll probably have to wait till January 3rd, and that's when it's going to get a ton of listings. So they have a webpage, brcapp.com. If you want to find more info, go to brcapp.com/lightpaper, and that is LITE. And then you're going to find info about staking. It says staking will be coming soon. There's a team section, economy section, the light paper section. There's a button you can click to get the app if you want to actually try out the app. So it says the app for BRC and the Bitcoin ecosystem. BRC app is the gateway. It's the gateway app to BTC Domains, Launchpad, commerce, gaming, insights, NFTs, and trading. They show you what the app interface looks like on their page. It says invite friends, earn tokens. BRC app is running an airdrop to the users of our app for the Bitcoin ecosystem. To participate, users need to register on our web or mobile app and collect points. Users that invite friends and receive points get allocated BRCT tokens launching in January. every BRC product all in one app. So they have the native domain. So if you ever heard of Ethereum name service, you can get a name like mine would be like Logan. This is not mine, by the way. This is probably somebody else's, but like Logan dot ETH. And then so this one would be dot BTC. So you get native BTC domains. Shop the BTC domains on the BRC app via iPhones, Android phones, and desktop. Get them minted on your Bitcoin, and then it says addresses coming Q2 to Q3 2024. And then we have the launch pad for Bitcoin. Get the upcoming BRC20 IDOs on the BRC app. Higher BRCT staking tiers give access to higher allocation amounts. So this is all on the app here, all these cool things here. So they have trading with BTC. Domains are digital real estate. Track your portfolio, acquire, list, and sell your BTC domains on the BRC app. So then they have the commerce, so Bitcoin and commerce. Trade with the only real currency and convert your domain portfolio to BTC in the BRC app. They also have market intelligence. Then they also, so it says BTC Domains is a quickly growing and expanding asset class, yet data is currently limited. It says BRC app changes all of this. And we have the domain marketplace. So BRC app enables trading of BRC NFTs. Trade NFT domains on BRC and BTC and fiat. Buy in bulk or filter out based on preferences. Level up your BRC20 ecosystem experience. So 99% of people cannot access the BTC ecosystem and cannot participate. It's too complex, but not anymore. BRC app is a single app that makes it easy. A one app, 6 must-have BRC20 products. So there's six different products. We pretty much went over all of them there. And then access the ecosystem, the best performing asset class. Since inception, Bitcoin has outperformed every single alternative asset class on Earth, reaching peak market capitalization of over $1 trillion. Start your journey on the BRC app. It's built on solid foundations and a solid business model. So there's domain mints, domain renewals, hosting, the app builder, concierge, and transaction fees. Join the blooming Bitcoin ecosystem now. And at the bottom of their webpage, they do have a link to their Telegram you could join at BRC App Chat, and a link to their Twitter at BRC App. You can join that as well, and I'm going to put that up right here. And on this Twitter, you will see a whole bunch of new listing announcements, like their Gate listing, their Mexc global listing. So like I said, if you don't have an Mexc global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.